Hey there everyone, welcome back to my channel, Trendy Freak. Do you think you know a lot about geography? Here are some fun geography facts that might surprise you. And don't forget to stay tuned for more. 1. The equator doesn't really exist. While we often refer to the equator as if it's a physical line that circles the Earth, it's actually just a theoretical one. It is the largest circle that can be drawn on the surface of the Earth that is perfectly horizontal. The actual dividing line between the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere is a mere 1/16 of a degree wide. Istanbul, Turkey's largest city, is located on both Europe and Asia, making it one of the few cities in the world that can claim to be located on 2 continents. 2. Istanbul is in 2 continents. The city is situated on the Bosphorus Strait, which connects the Black Sea to the Sea of Marmara and separates Europe and Asia. 3. Antarctica has no native species. Although Antarctica may seem like an unlikely place to support life, it actually has a rich ecosystem of animals and plants. However, all of these species are migratory, and there are no native species that live there permanently. This is due to the harsh environmental conditions, including extreme cold, low precipitation, and a lack of sunlight during the winter months. 4. Mount Thor is the world's tallest vertical rock face. Located in Canada's Awi-Watuq National Park, Mount Thor's sheer cliff face rises 1,250 meters straight up from the surrounding landscape, making it the tallest vertical rock face on Earth. The mountain is made of granite and was formed millions of years ago during the Canadian Shield S formation. 5. Indonesia is home to the world's tallest waterfall, located in the remote jungle markets of West Papua, Indonesia. The Kare waterfall is the tallest waterfall in the world, with a height of 778 meters. The waterfall is on the Taman Nasional Bali, which is home to a variety of endemic bird and animal species. The waterfall is on the Taman Nasional Balium, which is home to a variety of endemic bird and animal species. 6. Greenland and Florida are the same size. Both regions are known for their unique landscapes and ecosystems. 7. Hawaii is closer to Alaska than it is to California. Although Hawaii and California are both part of the United States, Hawaii is actually closer to Alaska than it is to California. The distance between Hawaii and Alaska is around 1,800 miles, while the distance between Hawaii and California is around 2,400 miles. 8. The Netherlands is the world's second largest island. While many people may assume that the world's largest island is Australia, it's actually not. Australia is the world's 13th largest island. The world's largest island is Greenland, followed by the Netherlands, which is a European country that consists of 12 provinces and 3 smaller territories. The country is known for its windmills, tulips, and its flat, low-lying landscape. 9. Mountains can trigger earthquakes. While earthquakes are typically associated with tectonic plate movement, mountains can also play a role in triggering earthquakes. When large amounts of rock are uplifted to form mountains, it can cause stress to build up in the surrounding rocks, leading to earthquakes. For example, the Himalayan mountains are still rising due to the collision of the Indian and Eurasian plates, and this activity can cause earthquakes in the region. 10. The UK consists of 2 main islands and 1,800 smaller ones. The United Kingdom is a group of islands off the northwest coast of Europe. The country consists of 2 main islands, Great Britain and Ireland, and over 1,800 smaller islands. The capital city of the UK is London, which is located on the island of Great Britain. 11. Liechtenstein is the only double landlocked country in the world. Liechtenstein is a small European country that is landlocked on both sides by Switzerland and Austria. This means that it has no direct access to the sea, and its only way to import and export goods is through the waterways of its neighboring countries. 12. Death Valley is not actually in Death Valley. The lowest point in North America is not actually located in Death Valley, as many people believe. Badwater Basin, which is a part of Death Valley, is the lowest point, but it's not the lowest point in North America. The lowest point in North America is actually 282 feet below sea level and is located in the lowest point of the basin, which is known as the Devil's Golf Course. 30. In Japan is made up of 6,852 islands. Japan is an archipelago located in East Asia. It consists of 6,852 islands, the largest of which are Honshu, Hokkaido, Shikoku, and Kyushu. Japan is known for its rich history, culture, and natural beauty. 14. Mexico is divided by a 1,400-mile-long wall. While it may sound like something out of a dystopian novel, there is actually a 1,400-mile-long wall that divides Mexico in 2. Rome, the capital of Italy, was originally built on 7 hills. The wall is located along the country's border with the United States and serves as a barrier to prevent illegal immigration and drug trafficking. The construction of the wall began in 2006, and it remains a controversial topic in Mexican politics. 15. Rome was built on 7 hills. These hills provided natural defense and were the center of the city's original settlements. The 7 hills are Palatine, Aventine. 16. Iceland sits on the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. Iceland is located on the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. a massive underwater mountain range that runs through the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. This ridge is where the North American and Eurasian tectonic plates meet, and it is also responsible for the volcanic activity in Iceland. 17. Russia is the largest country in the world by both area and population. It spans over 6.6 million square miles and has a population of over 146 million people. Russia is known for its vast natural resources and its rich history and culture. 80. The Arctic Circle actually lies within the tropics. Despite its name, the Arctic Circle does not actually lie within the Arctic region. Instead, it lies within the tropic zone. The Arctic Circle is the latitude that receives at least 6 hours of daylight in the winter solstice and at least 6 hours of darkness in the summer solstice. 19. Lightning strikes Earth 100 times every second. Lightning is a common natural phenomenon that occurs when there is a discharge of electricity in the atmosphere. On average, lightning strikes the Earth about 100 times every second. Most of these strikes occur over oceans, but some can cause damage to property and even take lives. The world's largest cave can fit a 40-story building. The Sun Dune Cave in Vietnam is the largest cave in the world by volume. It is so massive that it has its own ecosystem with its own rivers, clouds, and even a jungle. The cave was only discovered in 1991 and is now open to tourists. Crazy, right? Our planet never stops surprising us. If you thought that was unbelievable, wait till you hear what Earth is hiding next. Follow Trendy Freak for more mind-blowing facts every day.